In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to enable and disable hotkeys in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way or manner, you will be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for gpedit.msc and click on the OK button once you are done typing. And in a few moments, you would be able to open a new window called Local Group Policy Editor. So here you need to adjust first the size of the first column so you can see the name of the folder clearly. So proceed with user configuration. And here, please select for administrative templates. The moment you've selected it, please click on this forward arrow key and kindly wait until a subfolder under it would be showing up here. Once it's here, please proceed with the file folder, which is the Windows components. So once you find it, click on this forward arrow key, and here at the Windows components, you need to select for File Explorer. So click on this forward arrow key again, and under the File Explorer, please proceed here at the settings. Okay, and here you need to locate for Turn Off Windows key. So just be keen on finding such since there are a bunch of options here listed. So you can see there, turn off Windows key hotkeys. So make a right click and click on edit. Okay. So here in this option, it is actually opposite. That would mean that when you disable that here or when you select disable that, that would mean that you have enabled the hotkeys. Okay. And if you would like to disable that, all you need to do is you need to set it into enabled. And in that way, you'll be able to disable the hotkeys here in your Windows 11. Once you are satisfied, click on apply and then OK and close this window and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.